Welcome, YouTubers, and here's another Lego Elephant production. I will be showing my Lego vending machine that really works. It's pretty cool. Okay,
and this is actually our creation.
Yes, this is our Lego Elephant creation. Push this.
There's a button on the back, so you just push it. And
I'll hand this off to my assistant to hold.
Yeah, the soda can is behind the things, so if you push it, it will hit it and make it come out.
And there you have your Sprite.
Yep.
And this is how it reloads.
And it's kind of like this one, see? So.
And this is how you reload it. Pop this out. Push that back in.
Yeah, the same thing with mine.
Put that in.
That I got from somewhere.
Reload it.
And you're ready to go again.
And I'm going to do it one more time. With Coke.
You mean root beer?
Root beer, yeah. And there you have your root beer.
Yep.
It's awesome!
Root beer!
Thank you for watching!